Anglicare Australia is committed to creating a fairer and more just society. We believe that everyone deserves a safe and affordable place to call home. That's why we are advocating for more public funding for social and affordable housing, and reforming tax breaks and concessions that benefit the wealthy. We know that housing is not only a basic human right, but also a key factor for health, well-being, education, and employment. We know that the current housing system is broken, and that it is leaving many people behind. We know that the housing crisis is especially acute in regional Australia, where there is a shortage of supply and a lack of diversity in housing options. We know that many people in regional Australia are struggling to pay rent, or are living in overcrowded, unsafe or unsuitable conditions. We know that this is unacceptable, and that we need to act now. That's why we are calling on the government to invest in social and affordable housing as a national priority. We are calling on the government to increase the supply of public and community housing, especially in regional areas. We are calling on the government to support low-income renters with adequate income support and rental assistance. We are calling on the government to reform tax breaks and concessions that favor investors over home buyers, such as negative gearing and capital gains tax discounts. We are calling on the government to create a national housing strategy that ensures everyone has access to appropriate, affordable, and secure housing. We are calling on the government to listen to the voices of people who are experiencing housing stress and homelessness, and to work with them to find solutions. Anglicare Australia is committed to creating a fairer and more just society. We are fighting for affordable housing in regional Australia, because we believe that everyone deserves a place to belong. One of the ways that Anglicare Australia is fighting for affordable housing in regional Australia is by conducting annual research on rental affordability across the country. This research is based on a survey of over 70,000 rental listings in every state and territory, and it measures how many properties are affordable and suitable for people on low incomes. The results are published in reports and snapshots that highlight the challenges and solutions for low-income households. The latest report, released in April 2021, shows that the rental market is failing people on low incomes, especially in regional areas. Out of the 70,410 rental listings surveyed, only 3% were affordable for a single person on the job seeker payment, and only 1% were affordable for a single person on the disability support pension. Even for a couple with 2 children on the minimum wage, only 23% of rentals were affordable. The report also reveals that there is a severe shortage of social housing in Australia, with over 400,000 households on the waiting list. The snapshots provide more detailed information on the rental affordability situation in each state and territory, as well as in specific regions and cities. They also showcase some of the innovative projects and programs that Anglicare Australia and its network of member agencies are implementing to address the housing crisis. For example, in Tasmania, Anglicare Tasmania has partnered with Housing Choices Tasmania to provide long-term affordable housing for people who are homeless or at risk of homelessness. In Queensland, Anglicare Southern Queensland has developed a mobile app called Rent 360 that helps tenants manage their rental payments and access support services. By conducting this research and publishing these reports and snapshots, Anglicare Australia aims to raise awareness of the urgent need for more affordable housing in regional Australia, and to advocate for policy changes that would make housing more accessible and inclusive for everyone. Anglicare Australia believes that housing is a human right, and that everyone deserves a safe, secure and affordable place to call home.